125 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need the multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0 0, 5 times 1 5, 5 times 2 10, 5 times 3 15. Okay, to find out the multiplication table of 5 easily, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, right? So 5 goes into this one how many times? Since 1 is less than 5, so 0 times. 0 times 5, 0 times 5 0, subtract 1, bring down this 2. 5 goes into 12 how many times? 5 times 3 15, which is getter, so 2 times. 2 times 5 10. If you subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25 how many times? 5 goes into 25 5 times. Right, 5. 5 times 5 25. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Since your remainder is 0, you are done. This 0 don't have any value. It is the left hand side of a digit. So 25 is your answer or quotient.